on.
Can we hit 1 billion?
Screws.
You have to build that. What have you done? What have you done?
This is the start of stage 2. I have to live with
Can we get 10 trillion?
Screws.
Right now!
Can we get 115 million?
Screws.
So since we have hereby fucked these houses that we were going to use in the second part of the video where we were then gonna destroy them.
Yeah, it kind of fucked it up, didn't it?
Not only that, what the fuck?
Screws. You need screws, you need rods. You need all the fixins, don't ya?
Screws. I'm like, okay, and they usually have the same kind of parts and they're all very uniform except the screws are all very different. But dowel rods and those twisty doohickeys, they all are basically the same. So I'm like, I know what this looked like in the store. I just gotta put it together like it was, as I remember in my mind.